Hi guys, good morning. So in this video I want to do the paper 2 important models. So first one is CSF solid hemisphere wooden block is 122 centimeter square. Paper 2. So first one, CSA of hemisphere is equal to hemispherical wooden block is 122 centimeter square. 122 centimeter square. Then find the total surface area. Find its TSA. So here CSA is given, CSA of hemisphere. You have to find out the TSA. What is the formula for CSA of hemisphere? So solution always whatever is given you have to write. Given is CSA of hemisphere equal to 122 centimeter square. But formula hemisphere will like this. It is a solid hemisphere. CSA means the curved surface area, this one. And total surface area means completely. This also you have to include. So CSA of hemisphere is 122 centimeters square. But what is the CSA of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. Therefore what you will get? 2 pi r square is equal to 122. Pi r square only I will find out. 122 by 62. It's nothing but 61 times. So pi r square is equal to 61. Why I am not substituting pi value and why I am not finding r, you see? Because TSA is 3 pi r square. See, simply pi r square is there. That's why I did only pi r square value. After getting pi r square, I'll find out TSA. TSA of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. 3 into pi r square value is 61. So 183 centimeter square. 183 centimeter square. So unnecessary to find out r value by substituting pi value and make the sum as difficult. We can do like this easily. Next, second question. This is the question hemispherical 10th chapter, that is. Next, find the length of a tangent to a circle with center O and radius 5 centimeters. Radius is 5 centimeters from a point P so that OP is equal to 13 centimeters. So this is the tangents and secants, 9th chapter question. The radius of a circle is given as 5 centimeters and from a point you have to draw the diagram for this. This is a tangent, this is the center of a circle, this is the radius, and this is the distance between center to the external point, that is OP is given as 13 centimeters and radius is given as 5 centimeters. You have to let it be the point of contact is equal to A. Then AP is called as the length of the tangent. What is the length of the tangent? The distance between the point of contact to the external point is called as distance between the point of contact to external point is called as length of the tangent. So AP value you have to find out. So already by 9.1 theorem you know that the radius drawn from the center of a circle to the tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. Perpendicular to the tangent. So OA is perpendicular to AP. So in triangle OAP becomes right angle triangle. In triangle OAP we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, what you will get? AP square is equal directly one of the side square also you can find out. AP square is equal to OP square minus OA square. So that is 13 square minus 5 square is nothing but 169 minus 25 is 144 and AP is equal to root 144 is nothing but 12 centimeters. So what is the length of the tangent? Length of the tangent is 12 centimeters. So here also this is also important model. Somewhere he will ask either radius or length of the tangent or distance between the center to the external point. Any of the three. Out of three they will give two and one they will ask. Next, third question. A person is flying a kite at an angle of elevation 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. The length of the thread is 30 meters. Length of the thread is 30 meters. Is 30 meters. Find out the height of the flying kite from the ground. So you have to, this is the applications of trigonometry. So you have to draw a triangle related to the given question. So here the kite is there. This is the point of kite. Let it be B. A is the point on the ground. A is a point on the ground. Then the height of the flying kite you have to find out from the ground. So AB height you have to find out. AB is how much you have to find out. And what is a person is flying a kite and at angle of elevation 60 degrees. So a person is at sea. He is flying a kite at an angle of elevation. What is meant by angle of elevation? The angle between the horizontal to the line of eyesight is called as angle of elevation. This is theta. Theta is given as 60 degrees. The length of the thread is 30 meters. So here it is 30 meters length of the thread, 30 meters BC. So BC value is given as 30 meters. Angle C is equal to 60 degrees. So ABC is the right angle triangle, right angle at A. Then you have to find out AB. So what you have to apply? Theta is there, hypotenuse is there, opposite side you want. So in triangle ABC, what you have to consider? The relation between opposite to hypotenuse is sine. Opposite to hypotenuse is sine. So we can consider sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta is AB by hypotenuse to theta is BC. So sine 60 is equal to AB is we have to find out and BC is given as 30 as sine 60 is root 3 by 2 is equal to AB by 30. 2 gets cancelled, 30 gets cancelled with 2, 15 jar and do the cross multiplication. AB is equal to 15 root 3 meters. AB is equal to 15 root 3 meters. Angle of elevation and angle of depression you must know clearly so that you can draw the triangle in proper way. If the triangle is drawn properly and the measurements are kept correct, then automatically you will get the correct answer. Next, fourth question. Can cos 60 degrees is greater than cos 6 degrees? Cos 6 degrees give reason. So, is cos 60 is greater than cos 6? You have to no. Automatically you can say no. Why? Because you can take cos 0 degrees. What is that? 1. What is cos 60? Suppose for example, cos 60 is 1 by 2. Which is greater? 1 is greater than 1 by 2. 1 means from where you got cos 0 degrees is greater than cos 60 degrees. That means as theta increases, cos theta value decreases. Value of cos theta decreases. So cos 60 is greater than cos 6 is no. Okay. Like that only sine he can ask. If he asked the sine value, then sine is increases when theta increases. Sine value increases when theta increases. Next, fifth question. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 12 centimeter and 72 centimeters. Perimeters of two similar triangles. two similar triangles is 12 centimeters and 72 centimeters. 72 centimeters. If the area of similar triangle is 6 centimeters, area of one of the similar triangle is 6 centimeter square. Then find out the area of bigger triangle. So two triangles are there. One is the smaller and one is the bigger. Let the side of this ABC triangle is 12 centimeters. The side's perimeter is given as 12 centimeters. Let it be the side is S1 and PQR triangle. Both are similar triangles. Let it the side be S2. Side be S2. Then what is the formula you know? Perimeters are given as 12 centimeters and 72 centimeters. But you know the ratio of sides of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of their perimeters. Ratio solution. Ratio of sides of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of, that means ratio of perimeters are in the ratio of corresponding sides. Ratio of their perimeters. So is equal, therefore S1 is to S2 is equal to what you will get? 12 is to 72. Gets cancelled, 1 is to 6 you will get. 1 is to 6. So side is 1 and side 2 is 6x, 1x and 6x. What is the area is given? Area of the smaller triangle is given as 6 centimeter square. Area of the big triangle is how much he is asking. What is the area of big triangle? And one more formula, what do you know? Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So what is the area of one triangle? 6 centimeters square they have given. So according to this, what you can write? What can you write? A1 is to A2. A1, A2 are the areas you can think. This is A1 and this is A2. A1 is to A2 is equal to 1 square is to 6 square. Ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So A1 is given as 6. 6 is to A2 is equal to 1 is to 36. 1 is to 36. Therefore, if two ratios are equal, product of means is equal to product of extremes. So A2 is equal to 36 into 6 is nothing but 216 centimeter square. So area of the bigger triangle is 216 centimeter square. Next, sixth question. If two dice are thrown at same time, what is the probability of the product of numbers appearing? Product of numbers appearing on the top of the dice is 6. Product of numbers is 6. So two dice are thrown. Then what is the event? This becomes the event. So what is the event? Product of numbers on the two dice is 6. So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the outcomes of one die, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the outcomes of the another die. Then what you will get? 1, 1, 1, 2, like this you will get. So next, so what is the sample space you will get? So sample space is equal to This is all the sample space 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 3 like this and so on. So how many outcomes you will get? That means n of sample space is 6 square is 36, where 6 is the outcomes of a die and 2 dice are there. So 6 square is 36 is the total outcomes. Total outcomes. Then favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes or favorable outcomes means that is related to the event. Event is the product of numbers is 6. So you will get 1 comma 6, 6 comma 1 and 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2. So n of FOC, favorable outcomes, n of FOC is nothing but 4. Then what is the probability of an event? Probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. So P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. I am writing shortcut. So favorable outcomes are 4 and total outcomes are 36. So 1 by 36 is nothing but 1 by 9. So product of the numbers and the two dice is 6 is asked. On the top of the die is 6. So how many outcomes are there? You have to write, and what are the next. Seventh question. Find the mean of first 10 composite numbers. First 10 composite numbers. What are the first 10 composite numbers are? First composite number is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16 and 18 are the first 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18. So these are the first 10 composite numbers. He asked to find out mean. Mean of the raw data is sum of the observations by number of observations. So sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n, that is equal to sum of all the values becomes 104 by 10. Number of observations are 10. 10 composite numbers. So that is 10.4. That is 10.4. This is the mean of first 10 composite numbers. Next, 8th question. Show that sine 35 degrees by cos 55 degrees whole square minus 2 cos square 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. It is a connective question between the concept to concept. So here complementary angles and here standard angle. So you know that complementary angles, if two complementary angles are there, you have to convert only one. 35 and 55 becomes 90 degrees. That's why out of sine or cos, you have to change only one. So sine I am changing. Sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So sine 35 becomes cos of 90 minus 35. Cos of 90 minus 35 by cos 55 whole square minus 2 cos square. Cos square 60 becomes cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to cos 90 minus 35 becomes cos 55 by cos 55 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos gets cancelled and this gets cancelled. 1 you will get. So 1 square minus 1 by 2. That is 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. Hence proved is nothing but RHS. We considered LHS and we got RHS value. Concept to concept connected question it is. See, every sum is very nice. You can understand the beauty of mathematics. Ninth. The mean of 12 observations is 32. What is given? The mean of 12 observations is 32. One of the observation 10 is deleted. So one of the observation 10 is deleted. Then find the new mean. Find the new mean. So solution, what you will get? Mean of 12 observations is 32. So what is 32? Mean is 32. What is 12? Number of observations. So mean is equal to 32. Mean is sigma x bar. Mean is represented by x bar. And number of observations is 12. Number of observations is indicated by n. But what is the formula? X bar is equal to sigma xi by n in the raw data. X bar is 32 and sigma xi, sum of observations like that only, and number of observations is 12. So sum of observations becomes 32 into 12 is nothing but 384. So one observation 10 is deleted, he said. So from where you have to delete the observation? From sum of the observations. So sigma xi minus 10 you have to do. So 384 minus 10, 374. This is the new sum. That is sum of new observations. Next, number of observations becomes what? Number of observations becomes 12 minus 1, it becomes 11. Therefore, mean of new observations is 374 by 11 is 34 times. So new mean is equal to 34. New mean is equal to 34. So some mean of observations, 12 observations is 32, one observation 10 is deleted. Then find the new mean, that is the question. Next, 10th one. The arithmetic mean of values sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees, tan 45 degrees, and cot 45 degrees. This is also a connective question with trigonometry and arithmetic mean. That means 14th chapter statistics. So mean he asked. So first find out the values. So solution, sine 0 is, observations are sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, tan 45, 1, and cot 45, 1. How many observations are there? 5 are there. And what is the mean? X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. So that is 0 plus a half plus 1 plus 1 by 5. It becomes 3 by 5 is nothing but 0.6. Nothing but 0.6. Sine table values you have to get thoroughly. If you know the sign, that's enough. Cos is reverse and tan is sine by cos, and remaining are reciprocals. Next, 11th one. Express cot theta in terms of secant theta. Cos theta in terms of tan theta. So cot theta. So cot theta, what is the reciprocal? 1 by tan theta. Why I am taking the reciprocal? Because the relation between secant and tan is there. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So tan square theta is equal to. So tan theta becomes what? Root over secant square theta minus 1. So you can replace cot theta is equal to cot theta in terms of secant theta means cot theta value you have to write in secant, not other than any other trigonometric ratio. So 1 by, instead of tan I am replacing secant square theta minus 1. So identity, from the identity we derived this. Okay.